Hello guys, welcome to this course. In this course, I will create dating application, something like Tinder, without writing a line of code. Let's go and let's see how we should and how we can handle that. For the tech stacks that we want to use for this specific application, for the front end side, we will use React Native as a cross-platform. Then we will write code one time and then we can have both Android and iOS application. For the backend, we will use Nest and we will Nest.js and we will connect it to our database. Okay, so let's go and see how our application at final step will look like. We have login page, sign up page, home page, notification page, and profile page. So as you can see in the video, we have login page that user can put email and password. Here user can sign up to our platform with name, password, and email. Then as soon as user log into our application and tap on and put the email and password, it will send to the backend to see if we have the user with these data in the backend. And if yes, it will redirect user to the home page. Then we have notification page that we are showing who liked us and what are the matches that we have. Here we have profile page. We can edit the email address, we have number of matches, likes, and etc. In the home page, we have a swiper like this. We can swipe people left and right to like and dislike them. And after the people around us finish, we can see this beautiful landing for when we don't have any people near us. Okay. These are the functionality that we will follow and we will handle, and we will at first we start with the mobile application UI, something that I showed to you in previous slide. Then we will go through backend part and we will create backend functionality and connect to our database. And for our final step, we will connect the mobile UI that we implement in step 1 with the backend part that we have. In this case, we have application that connect to the backend and everything will be ready to go. We can deploy our backend in any service like AWS, Azure, or anything else. And also we can publish our application, the application that we will create. We can publish it in Google Play and App Store.